Hi, I'm Amadea Morningstar from the Ayurveda Polarity Therapy and Yoga Institute, and I'm here to welcome Iza Bruen-Morningstar.
I'm Iza Bruen-Morningstar. I'm here to support Amadea in making some easy healing drinks, and I'm an Ayurveda novice.
Yes, a novice and an ordinary human.
Yeah.
Who's pretty extraordinary. So today we're going to be doing the Pomegranate Chia Smoothie, and I'm going to leave it up to Iza.
And will you tell us a little bit about the healing powers of this when I'm done?
Or even right now. So it's a great cooling summer drink. Pomegranate is great for the heart. It's cooling, and it's especially calming for Pitta. It also Vata and Kapha can handle it pretty well. And we'll talk through the other ingredients as Iza puts together the drink.
I've got a lot of Pitta. A lot of Pitta that I'm working on.
So it's a
perfect.
It's a perfect day to be doing some Pitta calming drinks.
Mm-hmm. All right. So to begin with, you do soak a tablespoon of chia in 3/4 of a cup of pomegranate juice, preferably overnight. So I've done this where I only soak it for like 45 minutes and sort of mixed results. So the longer you can let the chia plump up, the better. And I've got it here in this jar. So I'm going to dump it in this blender. Plop, plop, plop.
Chia is omega-3 rich and also gives a little bit of texture to the smoothie.
Okay. And then next, do you want to come back into the screen?
Oh, I can't, but I can also. Yeah.
All right, so she's going to be the voice from the side.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is add a 1/4 cup of grapefruit juice.
And grapefruit juice is to provide some sour and warmth, so that the pomegranate is calming for Pitta and Kapha, can increase Vata in excess, whereas the grapefruit is soothing to Vata and Pitta, and can bring up Kapha if you had a lot of it.
And then the next thing I'm going to do is take this little measuring cup and fill it so that there's a 1/2 cup of plump, juicy grapes.
And you can use red or purple grapes. They're energizing. They're delightful in this form. They're considered tridoshic.
You can also do this recipe with a 1/2 of an organic banana if you want. Depending on what if you're wanting something more like sweet and grounding, would you say?
Definitely. Yeah, more Vata calming.
Yeah. How do I?
That looks good.
Almost. A couple more.
Yeah. And also the chia seeds, because they're omega-3 rich, build ojas and immunity and soothe mood. And if you wanted some, this is a pretty carby drink. You know, it's sweet and delicious and refreshing. If you wanted to add more protein, what you could do is add like a tablespoon of hemp seeds, soak them with the chia.
Nice. Okay. So then I have this little 1/8 of a teaspoon marker, and I'm going to add an 1/8 of a teaspoon of cardamom. Cardamom, which is one of my favorite spices, which we have a lot of now. Let's see here.
Cardamom is exciting in that it's soothing to the nervous system, it's good for digestion, and it also invites energy down through the lower body. So it grounds through the legs and the feet. So if you're feeling a little bit up in the air, cardamom not only is tasty and digestive, it also really can be grounding.
Grounding cardamom. Next I'm going to add an 1/8 of a teaspoon of coriander.
Cooling.
Digestive. Okay. What else?
It also, coriander works very well with the pomegranate and the rose petals that we were using in the last recipe. And it's also considered, if somebody is like on their period and kind of hot and etchy, high pitta, coriander is a very soothing herb for that.
Apparently, just what I need right now. I'm not a huge fan of coriander in general, and yet I find that in this recipe it's really nice. Tasty. Okay, so now I'm going to blend this all up. And then, Amadea, do you want to taste this? Since
Yeah.
my cup has
Here
gone.
we go.
Oh,
Yeah.
beautiful. Okay.
Yes, let's both try this.
So, let's start with Amadea. It's got a little bit of texture, which is nice.
Yeah.
Boop, 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 boop. You want more?
No, it's tastes like a good
Perfect.
amount.
Okay.
So, taste testing pomegranate chia smoothie.
Oh, it's good.
This one's kind of more grounded and nutty than the last time.
It's because the last time we forgot the.
Oh, the
Cardamom.
Don't you ever tell anyone. So this is pomegranate chia smoothie from Easy Healing Drinks from the Wisdom of Ayurveda, and part of what we like about making our own drinks is, in terms of sustainability, a little bit less plastic containers in the ocean. So
Thank you.
thank you for joining us.